by the airport.
We're at the airport now. We took I guess they hired a private driver, kind of like an Uber driver, to take us from the hostel to the airport. And I swear, I don't know if he thought we were in a hurry or he himself was in a hurry, but he was like driving like a nutso, like, and going through like the mountains on the curvy roads. It started raining. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. And he doesn't really speak English and we don't speak Spanish, so I'm like, well, I don't even know how to tell him to slow down, so I'm just gonna go to sleep to like ease the stress of possibly dying in his car. He was going so fast, weaving in and out of lanes, and it was, I don't know. we got here in record time.
Like it was like in a Formula 1 race or something.
It was
and it doesn't help that like a lot of the other people here are driving really aggressively too, so it's just like chaos. But yeah, we're here. We're at the airport. We had a great time last night. We had a great time last night. We went to the football game, the soccer game, and our team won, the home team won, so that was fun. And we're sitting in the, I call it like the hooligan area. It's basically like one section of the stadium, and it's just open seating. You don't have an assigned seat, and like all the biggest fans go there, and they have banners and they sing the whole time, and it's really rowdy. And
there's like a band playing.
Yes.
And the people in that whole entire area, they just sing the entire
jump
game.
Up and down and sing and
wave
game. Banners. Yeah.
The entire game. It was fun.
Yeah, the band never stops. They just keep going and going.
Yeah. I mean, they take breaks and stuff, but it was the entire game they were just playing. It was really cool though. It was a really good experience. So it rained a little bit last night, but otherwise it was fun. We got jerseys and we hung out with the Canadians, the Germans. It was fun.
It was fun.
Yeah. So now we're on our way to Lima for the next few days, 3 days or so, and then we're gonna celebrate our birthday in Lima.
Yeah. And it'll be first time in the Southern Hemisphere.
Yeah.
I'm excited about that.
It'll be hot.
So hot.
And the Avianca lounges at the airports here are not that great. Well, I'm not a big fan. I mean, I know it can be too picky or whatever, but
yeah, you sound a little pretentious.
I mean,
oh, the airport lounge is not up to my.
No, I mean, I don't know. Some are just better than others. That's all. Yeah, we just wait for our plane to arrive so we can get going. We have a 3-hour layover in Bogota. So when we get there, maybe go to a lounge and then hop on a plane to Lima.
Yep.
Alright.
See you in Lima.
Yeah.
See ya in. I can't try to make a rhyme, but I can't do that.
Hello from Lima, Peru.
We made it.
We got in last night, hung out at the hostel. It was kind of chilly when we first got in, and there's really not much going on at night, so we just hung out at the bar at the hostel again. They actually had a barbecue dinner at the hostel, so we just hung out there, drank with some of the people that were working there and they're staying there. Yeah, really cool. Yeah.
We got a poker lesson, magic show from one of the guests. And
it was really good actually.
It was. We played Jenga, which was fun.
Yeah.
And
so our private room is actually in a separate building from the main hostel. It's like 3 blocks away. Not huge blocks, but yeah, so we're kind of like away from everyone else. But we have to go back over there to meet up with the guide who's gonna take us to the meeting point for the walking tour today. Yeah. So that's the plan. We are doing a walking tour this morning.
Yep. Got up bright and early. We're ready to go. It's about 9 a.m. now, so
it's a little gloomy, but as long as there's no rain, I'll be okay.
Yeah.
And then right now we're gonna go to Starbucks, get some real coffee.
Yeah, I didn't realize that Lima was so big. It's like 10 million people. So
Yeah,
it's like New
really
York
big.
City.
Yeah, there's just traffic everywhere.
A lot of traffic.
Lots of traffic.
Lots of honking constantly.
Yeah, so good thing we're walking today.
Yep.
Alright. And whose birthday is it?
It's my birthday.
Today's his birthday!
It's my birthday. Every year.
Every year.
Happens every year.
It does happen every year. Last year we were in Budapest. The year before we were in Cambodia. Right? Siem Reap? The year before that we were in Spain.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. This year we're here.
Yeah.
Yay.
There's beautiful building, but it's a hard to rent here. You can check everything. So it's a ruler museum.
So we're on the free walking tour and we stopped by some street food. So this is a traditional one. It's pig heart, looks like tripe, and then no, it's beef, right? So it's beef heart, tripe, and like beef belly on potatoes and salsa, and it's pretty good. So it's 10 soles, so it's about $3, less than $3 was a full plate. It's a good deal and it tastes really good. So we're in Lima's Chinatown right now, and we started the tour and we got these beautiful looking pork buns and some tarts. And I guess Lima has a really large Chinese population with a really cool Chinatown. And there's also restaurants here that's like a combination of they have Chinese food and Peruvian food together.
Dentro.
And then you have to do a dance.
Yeah, I need the words. How's it go?
Remember, arriba,
Arriba,
abajo,
abajo,
al centro, un momento,
un momento.
baila dentro. There you go.
Yay! Oh, B-roll. It's fine. It's B-roll. It's fine.
Okay.
I'm like, now I'm hungry.